Build some equity when you purchase this 3-bed, 1-bath house located on a quiet, dead-end street in Eldon, Missouri. Come check it out. With a few cosmetic upgrades, this house could be super charming. The roof was replaced this summer and the AC compressor replaced 2 years ago. With an attached 1-car garage and fenced-in backyard, you can't go wrong. Some of the hard stuff has been done for you, so give us a call, Krantz & Associates, Remax, Lake of the Ozarks at 573-302-2355.